Hey, this is Dr. Scott and Allie. In this video, we're going to be showing you hand release push-ups. This is designed to help correct shoulder posture and shoulder pain, including what some people call impingement. So here we go. Allie's going to go ahead and assume a proper push-up position as so, and what we're going to demonstrate is a wrong one to begin with. A lot of people will drop their shoulder down and forward whenever they're going into the bottom of a push-up. This is what's going to cause problems. What you want to do, go ahead and push back up, is make sure that your shoulders are in line with your thoracic spine and your shoulder blades are pulled back and pulled down and they're not dumping forward. And so when you drop into the push-up, shoulder stays in position. Now, when you get to the bottom, you will release your hands, pinch your shoulder blades together. This is going to activate the posterior chain of the back, taking the tension off of the pecs and the anterior shoulder. And then you can put your hands back on, push up into a beautiful push-up. She did such a great job. This is an excellent exercise for your back, and you want to be focused on making sure that this stays nice and tight the entire time. That's how you're going to get your shoulder relief.